Okay. Looks like we gotta use either the left or the far right lanes. I think this lane's good. Easy, buddy. Yes, folks, I have had a personal connection with driving over this bridge. When I was first learning how to drive, this was my first major river bridge that I went over after my mom and I spent some time in Ocean City, New Jersey that day. And this is what I primarily use coming home from the Cape May County beaches. Occasionally I have used the Walt Whitman Bridge, but that's primarily when I'm coming home from Atlantic City after their air show. Over there on the far right, maybe a little hard to see, but that is the city of brotherly love and sisterly affection. Over here on my left, again, it also may be hard to see, but way down there is the Delaware Memorial Bridge. To my left and straight down is Subaru Park, home of the Philadelphia Union. Doesn't look like everybody got the memo that this is where the lanes end and merge into one. Whew.